Hi friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have a Bifold food menu in two different format. First folder for AI Adobe Illustrator user and second folder for PSD. Everybody know PSD for Photoshop. So I show you, double click here, you can adjust any background about restaurant related or food related. Next here you can adjust your price here, names, etc. So these files is Adobe Illustrator. I drag on Adobe Illustrator just for I show you. You can see here every layer, image, foldings, and you can change it is simply these files in CMYK colors, and here is PSD. So I drag on Photoshop CC 2018. So you can see here folding line, crop mark, graphics, image, background. You can adjust background easily and you can change any color, create you can apply gradients overlay, or you can adjust image. So I adjust some image. I have some burger collection, so I will upload. Example, I open this file. These files are very large, so convert this file to 1000. Drag here. Drag here. Press shift, enter, and you can down opacity, more down 18 or 10. If you like, you can rename any product or you can write any your price. So you can adjust image, double click on here, and then you click on image 2, double click here and adjust any food image. So I drag this file. First I convert in low resolution, for example 600. Okay, 600 or 1000 is better, I think. Just I show you. Enter, Control S, burger here, and you can adjust different image. So I adjust burger image 1000. Wow. Enter, Control S for saving, and you see here now these font link, download link in website is in description. You can download easily any font. You can change any shape, color, just click, or like this, pink, red, or same this color. Okay, I close this file and open last file. Open with Photoshop, and I know you can do easily everything, change background, write anything. So I know, so I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Love is